The things we never questioned. There are things we never questioned, not because they were true, but because they were familiar. They shaped our choices. They guided our expectations. They explained our disappointments. We didn't call them illusions. We called them life. The illusion of one day, things will make sense. One day, I will feel ready. One day, life will finally begin. This illusion is gentle. It doesn't scare you, comforts you, tells you that the present moment is not important yet. But years pass, and one day never arrives. Not because life failed, but because life was always happening here. The illusion of control. We learned early that control equals safety. If you plan well enough, nothing bad will happen. If you prepare enough, you won't be hurt. If you understand everything, you won't be surprised. Control feels responsible, mature, smart, but control is just fear wearing a suit. Life does not respond to tight hands. It responds to openness, the illusion of fairness. We were told, if you are good, if you are patient, if you do the right thing, life will reward you. This illusion is painful because it sounds moral, because it feels just. But life is not a system of rewards. It is not a courtroom. It is not keeping score. Understanding this is not bitterness. It is clarity. The illusion that others know more. We assume other people have it figured out. They look calmer, more confident, more certain. But most people are repeating what once worked, following scripts they never questioned, living answers they never chose. Clarity does not come from knowing more, but from questioning deeper. The illusion that happiness is a state. We imagine happiness as a place, permanent feeling, a stable condition, an arrival point. But happiness is not a state. It is a response, a moment, a movement. Seeing this frees you from chasing a mood and allows you to live a life. What happens when illusions fall? When illusions fall, there is often a pause. Not joy, not despair, just space. This space can feel empty, disorienting, even frightening. But it is also the first honest space you have ever stood in. Living without old stories, without illusions. You stop rushing, stop performing, stop comparing. You do less, but you do it consciously. You speak less, but you mean it. You stop asking, what should my life look like? You start asking, what is actually happening? If you're seeing this too, if you're listening, and some of these illusions feel familiar, let me tell you this gently. You didn't believe them because you were weak. You believed them because you were human. Seeing them now doesn't make you late. It makes you awake. You don't need new beliefs right now. You don't need a better story. Just stay here with what you see and let life reveal itself without filters. Good night, White Heart.